Unboxing!
Our future yaya!
Para sa asawa nga takulan manilhig. Kay
Hey.
direk atubang sa laptop sige trabaho.
Vacuum plus mopping! Wow! Oh, it's magnetic! Perfect!
What is this, babe?
The dock to charge. It goes on its own to charge again. That's the dust tank. It's very easy to... Oh my god, I'm so gonna love it. Look at the water tank, it's so small.
So this is like a charging station for this one?
Yeah. And it goes on its own. I don't have to carry
So
it.
it goes back to it if it's running, it's almost running out of battery.
Yeah.
Okay.
Remove protect.
What's the diameter of this one? 14 inches. 14 inches. So you need to install the app.
Oh, perfect. Tack.
Charging.
Okay. You ready?
Yep.
Start to vacuum and mop.
Obstacle.
Oh my god! Ruel! Kenapa man?
Grabe naman eh.
Kenapa? Oh, yeah. Listen. Oh.
Ingon na robot. Abog kayo hining dupot ko.
What is it? Is it karnay?
Oo.
Yeah.
Kasago naman ni siminto skin coat. Kamaliso na robot yung kuha.
Silent.
Oh yeah, it's silent. So what is this direction? You still have to teach it for the. You still have to.
For now, he's doing it by the laser, but later he will have a map. He will do his map. See, look, I see it here in live. He's doing his own map. So for now, he thinks that's the furniture, but
yeah.
later I will remove it, so he will learn on itself. So he knows that the world is like this, and his dock is there. So if I'm telling him go to dock,
he will go back.
then he will go.
Did you just tell him to go back?
Yeah, I'm telling him now.
Let's
to go
see.
back.
Let's test. Yung balik niya. Parking.
So nice.
Technology.
Grabe.
I have a wall E in the house. It's not all E, it's Eva.
Muscle.
Babe, it's not all E, it's Eva.
Very lazy.
The vacuuming and mopping task has been completed. Please remove and clean the mop pads in time. Charging.
Okay, Google. Turn on the vacuum cleaner.
Alright, starting Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus.
Tell the vacuum cleaner to go back to the dock.
Okay, docking Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus.
Okay.
So cute, like my pet. That's finally listening to us.
Maybe it fits under the furniture then.
Eva, where are you? Where are you, my pet? I'm here. I'm working, Mom. Oh. Your house is so dusty, Mom.